In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save charts in TradingView. Saving your chart layout ensures that all your indicators, drawings, timeframes, and visual settings are kept exactly the way you prefer, and it lets you pick up where you left off on any device. First, head to the TradingView dashboard. This is the main charting screen where you usually analyze markets. Make sure you're working in the chart view, not just the watch list or ideas page, so the save options are visible. Being logged in helps your layout sync to your account, so your settings are available the next time you sign in. Next, open the asset or specific chart you want to preserve. Type the ticker into the symbol search bar or select it from your watch list, then wait for the chart to load. Take a moment to confirm the chart shows the exact setup you want to keep. Indicators added, drawing tools placed, time frame chosen, and any visual theme or scale preferences adjusted. What you see now is what will be captured when you save. Now look toward the top of the chart for the layout controls. You'll see the current layout name with a small drop-down arrow, sometimes next to a cloud icon. Click that drop-down to reveal the layout options. This menu is where you manage your chart layouts, and it's the same place you'll use whenever you want to update or switch layouts. From that menu, select Save Layout. If you're prompted for a name, choose something clear and memorable, like the strategy or market this layout supports. If a layout already exists with that name, saving will update it with your latest changes. You may see a quick confirmation or a brief sync indicator near the cloud icon, letting you know the layout has been saved to your account. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Manual saving is great right after you make meaningful changes, such as adding a new indicator or reorganizing panels. Autosave can help, but using Save Layout ensures your most recent edits are locked in immediately. If you switch devices later, just open TradingView, go to the same dropdown, and your saved layout will be ready to load. That's it. Open the dashboard, load your chart, open the dropdown, and hit Save Layout. With this simple habit, you'll protect your analysis and keep your workspace consistent every time you trade or review the markets.